Hey guys, Kid Coolidge back again for my third video. And for today, I will be showing you guys a survival tip. Or trick, you could say. So, we are going to be making a outdoor primitive bow. And all we will need is a stick, a knife, and some cord. I prefer to use paracord, but it's your choice of cord. So the stick that I will be using today is a willow tree stick because I find that it's the most flexible stick. So that's the one we are going to be using today. And so the first thing you want to do is take the saw of your knife, okay, and you want to make a little divot in the end that you are not gonna be, that your bow is gonna be pointing straight. Okay? So you just want to make a divot and only make it about 3/4 of the way, because otherwise when you're bending it to put the string around it, it will like snap. Okay? So you might also want to make it a little bit bigger too, because that's not always a bad idea, because if the string is not secure properly, you make it bigger. So as you can see, just like that, it's just a small little indent of it. So that's what you will put your string around. And you want to do it on the exact same side of every stick. So I'm going to put one right about here on this stick. So just gonna it does take a little bit of force to do this also. So okay, so once you have that second notch done, what you will be wanting to do, because as you can see with this stick, the top part is going to be a lot skinnier than the bottom part. So what you're going to want to do is, so take out your knife part here, and you're going to want to have the bottom part, and you're kind of just going to want to like shave it off a little bit. Okay, so you're just going to want to like skin it basically to get the right about like the right thickness as the bottom, or as the top, sorry. Okay, so just okay. So once you have completed that of just shaving it off, so then it's about the same width of the top part. So for the next part, you're going to want to, so here, you're going to want to take your string, okay, and find a right amount place. So go here, and what you're going to want to do is wrap it around your two fingers once, okay, and then the little hole, you're going to want to put the other loop through that hole, and there, now you have a good like noose. So what you're going to want to do with this is just basically just do that. So just make it attached to the little indent you made. And so once you're done that, you're going to want to take your other side and do the same thing, okay? So you're just going to want to do a loop, and then the other loop goes through that. Okay, but you may realize that when you do that, it's harder to get it on, okay? So what you're gonna want to do here to make sure it's not like that is you're gonna want to, just give me a second, sorry. You're gonna want to put your foot between here, and then so you're like that, and bend it down to make that sort of bend shape, okay? So you're just gonna want to do that, and then the one bend. This isn't quite working out for me. Okay, let's just do so. Okay, there. So now you have your bow complete. Okay, so now you have a fully functioning working bow. And what you might see is that this string right here might come down in front of you, so you just want to wrap that up there and then put it right through one of the wraps, and then there. And then there, you have completed your wilderness survival bow. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to see the part 2 of this video, where I will be showing you guys how to make an arrow to go along with this bow. Thanks for watching. See ya.